Hi, this is Anshul, and my journey of becoming data scientist is quite an interesting one. I have joined Innomatics Research Labs as a sales associate. I have personally seen many people coming from different EdTechs and joining here even after completing their course over there. Here, the upskilling approach is totally different, and I can confidently say it's one of the best. People are made to work here on different case studies. Lot of hackathons have been conducted, and there are thousands of hiring partners here. I have personally consulted hundreds of people, and I could see how they have transformed their careers. After seeing this, I personally thought, if everyone is doing this, why should I stuck in this sales role? So I immediately after that, I have enrolled in this course in the same place, and within 5 months, I have got my dream job. As an ex-employee and as well as the trainee, I can confidently say Innomatics Research Labs is one of the best EdTech in India. To all the people who want to transform their careers, my suggestion will be join Innomatics and trust them and perform all the activities which they give. At the end, I just want to thank Innomatics Research Labs for guiding me, mentoring me and transforming my career. As they say, they just don't train, they transform the career. Well, I can say that they have transformed my career.
Innomatics Research Labs. We don't just train, we transform careers. Call us on 9951 666670 or log on to www.innomatics.in.